The moment the ship broke through the wormhole, light enveloped them, pure, blinding, and absolute. The controls went dead. The ship stopped moving. "Steve!" Sable's voice was tight. "We caught." Before he could answer, a sharp hum vibrated through the hole. A beam of light wrapped around them, squeezing every thought from his mind. Then darkness. When Steve's eyes opened, the world felt wrong, cold, sterile. They were standing, not floating. A shimmering glass wall curved around them like a cage. Beyond it, vast halls stretched endlessly, white and gleaming, filled with towering beings unlike anything they had imagined. The aliens were tall, their frames delicate yet impossibly strong, their skin translucent silver that caught the refracted light. They glided rather than walked, silent, their faces smooth and unreadable. Crowds of them gathered, gazing in at the two strangers with detached fascinations. Some pointed with long, elegant fingers, others leaned in, studying their suits, their movements, their humanity. "We are in a zoo," Steve whispered, his throat dry. Traveler pressed a hand to the glass. They don't see us as explorers." For 40 long hours, they endured it. No food, no water, just constant clinical observation. Whenever they tried to signal, gesture, writing, even desperate miming, the aliens only tilted their heads, looking at each other with glances and subtle expressions. It wasn't until the 39th hour that Steve noticed. "They never speak." Samuel looked at him, frowning. "Not once, not a sound, not a word. They just looked at each other, and then they move." He leaned closer, his voice urgent. "They are telepathic." Her eyes widened. "So we have been barking at them like dogs in a glass cage." "Exactly. And if anyone can reach them, it's you." Sable's hands trembled, but she closed her eyes, focusing. Her suit's nanoscales shimmered faintly, reflecting her pulse. She pushed past the fear, the humiliation, the anger, reaching not with words, but with thoughts. "We're not animals, we are explorers." The effect was immediate. One of the aliens stopped mid-step, its head turning sharply towards her. Then another and another. A low ripple spread through the crowd, silent but undeniable. Finally, one step closer, eyes glowing with the faint inner light. A voice, soft and melodic, echoed directly in Sarah's mind. "You speak?" She nearly staggered. "Yes, we speak. We came through the wormhole to learn, to make contact." A pause. Then, "Forgive us. To us, only those who think without words are advanced. Others are animals." We did not mean offense. Images poured into her mind. Galaxies unfolding, civilizations rising and falling, an ocean of telepathic memories, far older than ours. She gasped and clutched her head. Steve grabbed her shoulders. "Stop! What are they saying?" She opened her eyes, tears glistening. They didn't see us as equals. Not yet." Moments later, they were released. The aliens escorted them, silent and graceful, back to orbit. Their ship, repaired, spotless, waited. The leading alien sent one final thought into her mind, as clear as if it had been carved into her soul. "Do not return. We will contact your world in 200 years. If you have learned by then, we will listen." And just like that, they were gone. The ship was nudged gently towards the wormhole, sent back toward home. When they delivered their report, General Reyes was livid. "So they caged you like zoo animals? Dismissed our species as primitives? And told you not to return?" His fist slammed onto the table. "Then they are hostile. Oh, guards, that's what we will call them. A hostile planet." Sadler flinched at the words, but spoke anyway. "They're not hostile. They're beyond us. They just don't think we are ready." Reyes leaned forward, his eyes sharp. Then we will make ourselves ready. And when they come back, ours won't be begging for recognition. We will be demanding it. Steve and Sable exchanged glances, the unspoken question heavy between them. Ready for what?